is a preferred finishing material for all types of furniture, but it comes with one glaring disadvantage, that is cost. Furniture manufacturers often reduce the overall cost of their products by using MDF and particle board. Both MDF and particle board are composite materials. The big advantage is that these wood alternatives are much less expensive and can be created with a level of consistency. So in this video we are going to discuss the differences between MDF and particle boards. So let's begin. MDF particle board. How it is made. The long form of MDF is medium density fiber boards. These are made from wood fibers. These wood fibers are mixed with glue and it goes through a hot press machine which compresses the mixture and forms a board. Particle board is an engineered wood product made from waste products like wood chips, sawdust and wood shavings. These are mixed with glue such as urea formaldehyde resin or phenolic resin, and this mixture is firmly compressed by pressing under heat and pressure to form a particle board. Appearance. MDF has smooth surface as it is made from wood grains of uniform size, whereas particle board contains wood chips and wood shavings, hence it doesn't have smooth surface. Density. MDF is denser than particle board, whereas particle board has less density as compared to MDF. Strength. MDF is stronger than particle board, whereas particle board has less strength as compared to MDF. Durability. MDF is fairly durable as compared to particle board, but particle boards are less durable as compared to MDF. Voids. MDF doesn't contain any voids, whereas particle board contains voids. Weight. MDF boards are heavier in weight than particle boards, whereas particle boards are lightweight as compared to MDF. IS code to be followed. The Indian Standards Quality Specification for MDF is prescribed in document IS 12406 and IS 14857. For particle boards, the Indian Standards Quality Specification is given in document IS 3087 and IS 12823. Moisture resistance. MDF has more resistance to water as it has less voids, whereas particle board has less resistance to water as it soaks water like a sponge. Resistance to warping and cracking. MDF has more resistance to warping and cracking as compared to particle board, whereas particle board has low resistance to warping and cracking as compared to MDF. Load carrying capacity. MDF has good load carrying capacity as compared to particle board, whereas particle board cannot support heavy loads. Screw holding capacity. MDF has low screw holding capacity as compared to particle board, whereas particle boards have more screw holding capacity as compared to MDF. Uses. MDF is preferred by manufacturers for high-end furniture like cabinets, shelves, etc. It is also used for interior decor in restaurants and homes. Particle board is commonly used in lower end and lightweight furniture like shoe racks, portable furniture, children furniture, computer tables and wardrobes, etc. Painting. MDF can be painted easily, whereas particle board cannot be easily painted as it soaks paint. Lifespan. In dry environment, MDF can last up to 10 years, and if it is laminated, then it can last up to 15 to 20 years. In case of particle board, it can last up to 5 years in dry environment, and if it is laminated, then it can last up to 10 to 15 years. Price. MDF boards are costlier as compared to particle boards. The price of MDF depends on thickness, quality and brand, whereas particle boards are cheaper as compared to MDF. So friends, I have tried to cover all the differences between MDF and particle board in this video.